Fake it till you make it. Is that right, Scotty?
On the life and times of Evoke Aviation.
What's up, guys? Friday.
Wow, you messed up so bad so quick. Yeah, it's Friday, Billy. Get ready for the weekend, baby.
Yeah! Friday!
What's up, guys? It's Monday.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're gonna be doing today?
It's me, Mr. Beast. First person to take their hand off this airplane wins $1 million.
Oh, dude, what if we did that?
Just casually figuring out.
What are we doing? Are we doing the beginning of the video?
Just beginning of the video.
What's up, guys? Monday morning, we are back in the shop and we have got lots to do, just like every week. You know the deal. We're painting as many airplanes as we can. We've got some small touch-ups leaving. Please, I hope we've got some airplanes that are gonna be completely finished and out the door this week. And we've got more stuff coming. So it is gonna be a fun-filled, exciting, painty week here at Evoke Aviation. So just hang in there with us for at least 10 more minutes, however long this video is. All right. Trying to make a game plan. We're doing it, you're seeing it live. You're seeing what that looks like. Yeah, do you want to move this morning and go ahead and get these two out and up there? All right, let's just bite the bullet and get these out, I guess. All right. I want to get these airplanes finished. I want to get Dwight's done, and let's get Chris's buffed out and done, detailed, and then we can move on to Jim's and try to get both of those done pretty much this week.
Oh, guys, ducky pajamas on today.
Get the morning pet and Jeff.
Black song, back song.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Yeah, that's good. Let me get that on tape. Yeah, on tape. On tape. And no, on tape.
Put some tape on the panel.
This is what the people watch for, is putting tape on things.
Oh yeah, you love it.
Mm-hmm.
That's right, chat.
Comment tape if you love tape. Hey, Jonathan, question of the week.
Hit me with it, Scotty.
So, someone wants to know, what could we do as builders to improve the build so there's less work on your end?
It's a great question. We get that question a lot, and there are a lot of answers to that question, but there's a few things on the short list for us that we see come up a lot on these airplanes. Number one is just kind of follow the plans. If you follow the plans, follow the build, don't try to do anything too off the rails, especially if it's out of your comfort zone. Just kind of stick to the plan, stick to the basics, and don't try to force anything on the build. So if something generally on an aircraft where you've got very light, thin aluminum, composites, that sort of thing, if something generally doesn't feel like it fits together, it probably doesn't and needs a little bit of adjustment to make that work right. You want to do that. What you're going to do is, if you force stuff, you get tension on the aluminum or tension on the composites, and they'll start to crack and create problems. But I think what I really want to cover is things that you definitely should not do as a builder to help us out. Number one is going to be remove the blue plastics from your aluminum early in the build. If you want to buck your rivets and then keep from scratching the aluminum skins while you're sliding it around doing that, that's fine. But as soon as you get done with that, pull the blue plastic off. If you leave it on there, you won't be able to get it off, and you'll eventually get some corrosion underneath that plastic. So get that off of there. Number two, Don't use any kind of anti-corrosion products on the plane, inside or outside. So any kind of Corrosion X or anything that's silicone based, just don't touch your airplane with it until it's been painted. You really don't want to do that until about a year after it's been painted to prevent from having any kind of paint adhesion issues. And then aluminum polishing, that sort of thing, those things, stay away from it. Just leave the skins as is. They've got an all-clad coating on them that will help protect them from corrosion for quite a while you're building and sweating on it and that sort of thing. If you do see some minor corrosion, we're going to take care of it when we prep it. So don't worry too much about it. Don't overthink it, and call us if you have any questions. If you're doing anything in the build that you think might interfere with paint, you know where to find us. We'd be happy to help you. So there you go.
Excellent, and that was the question of the week.
You guys know what time it is. Huzzah!
Yeah!
All right, guys, it is midweek. We are pushing hard. There's some weather coming our direction, so we're trying to figure out what our schedule is going to look like for our pickups next week. We've got airplanes that are almost done. Hopefully, no ice. We get those airplanes out of here. We've got the PC-9. We're pushing hard in the booth today to get that cleared and avoid some of this colder weather, so we're going to get clear on that. That project, you guys know we've been working on it for a while, so it's really exciting to get that thing this close. We're going to push that one over the finish line, and then we've got another big project coming in early next week, so we got to make some room. We got to get some airplanes out of here and just keep pushing on. We got to push on. So we're going to be hammering down PC-9 today, most of the crew. Nathan, got you working on, I'm going to finish the wheel pan stuff for the Lancer, so we can get everything on the Lancer done. That's another plane we get out the door. Body shop's got another plane ready to come over here. So we got some heat on us. We got some pressure. I hope you guys are seeing the bigger picture and what's coming and what needs to happen to keep that moving. So Eric's finishing the silver on this plane in here, so we can kind of put an end cap on that so it's finished up. I just want to be careful that we're not jumping around so much that we're leaving a bunch of open projects. We just want to make sure we're focusing and finishing stuff. Listen, guys, I need as much energy out of y'all as I can get. Let's just hit it hard. Let's get in there and figure out what to do, fill in the gaps.
If y'all need energy, we got about 8 cases of Monster.
And there's literally another box of Monsters in an Amazon box next to the door that showed up this morning or last night. Either showed up last night, literally like the Monster stork shows up at night with more cases of Monster.
Chris said, y'all better get my plane finished.
Yeah, he's like giving us a case every day until we finish this plane.
Strong hint. Yeah.
Not a drop spilled.
No way. Not look clear. maybe a little base.
You get the fun roll. Put everything back together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite part though.
Legit.
I'm a tinkerer. I'm not a painter.
So, where did we get king cake from?
It's from Mark and Vicky Stringfellow.
Oh!
It's supposed to have a baby in it.
I hope they put a baby in this.
A baby
A
figurine.
plastic baby. Everybody knows.
They know what's
The
up.
internet knows.
Internet.
Don't you guys know?
You put babies in cake. Everyone knows that.
Plastic babies.
Is this how this is supposed to go on?
Yeah, something like that. Oh wow.
Oh, is that out?
That's my piece.
That's how
I heard the hooting and hollering. Who did it?
baby.
Chris got that baby. What did you just ask me?
I asked you if you saw the boxes that just showed up.
There's
In the office.
what?
Our poor mail lady.
Hey, whoa, wait.
I haven't even gotten here yet. You know exactly what all that is.
That's so many boxes.
And you guys thought we were crazy for starting a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, just one box of Monster. That's fine. That's fine. Now, that's nuts.
Well, get in on this action. Guys, guys, we're good. We're like,
hey,
we're like good over
guys,
here.
we're good.
That's at least 4 or 5 days worth.
Cookies.
Did we order Biscoff cookies?
No. I don't know.
Oh.
This one is from, I think this is from Sean Blair.
Calm down, calm down. He's gone mad. He's gone rabid. Shout out the Stringfellows for the king cake.
Yeah.
We've got Chris for the monster, Sean for the coffee. This is the best way to celebrate 10 episodes of Behind the Schemes, I think.
Is this episode 10?
This is episode 10.
Okay, Scotty, so when we started doing this channel and this weekly vlog, we talked about a lot of different scenarios, good things, bad things, you know, the pros and cons of starting a channel and showing people a little bit behind the schemes here. And I'll be honest, I don't think we talked about this, did we?
I don't think Monster, Starbucks, and King Cake was ever brought up in any of the meetings.
It wasn't. It honestly has gone so much better than anything we ever talked about. Oh, and Scotty,
Yeah.
I forgot to mention we're getting pizza today from Blackstone.
Oh my! Who's sending us pizza?
AJ and Evan.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
We got a lot of people to thank this week. Thank y'all.
Y'all got this. Go team.
You're doing great work, Billy.
I got their backs.
Hold on, I got my sweet tea.
Do a closeout. It's Friday. Do a closeout.
Close out.
Yeah.
The whole week.
Tell them about the week.
In the video.
Tell the folks back home what happened this week.
Good morning.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Friday. We are closing out the video. It's been a good week here at Evoke. We got the PC9 wing cleared. It looks beautiful. It is drying out. We've got our airplanes pretty much ready to go. Very, very close. We got a absolute crap ton of Monster energy drinks. And we had some cake, some king cake. We had the pizza today. You guys gotta stop, honestly. Stop. Send water. Water. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and paying attention to what we're doing here in our little home here in Gadsden, Alabama. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. Come back and watch us next week, and maybe we'll do some other cool stuff.
Yeah.
See you next time. Behind the schemes.